Nigerian Genius.
Good evening, guys. It's Team Energy here again. Currently, the project that was announced last night was a medical device with remote access and control. Now, I and my team members were working on a device that makes the presence of a physical doctor unnecessary. This will actually reduce the queues in hospitals and also categorize cases to the most important or the most urgent, thereby dragging attention to important cases first before going to minor cases. With the device we are introducing, you no longer even need to go to the hospital to get prescribed or to get checked on. It's like having your personal doctor at home that you can call on any time of the day and you always answer. It's not like I'm busy, I'm attending to another patient, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. With the device we are building, you can actually command your doctor. It's like telling your doctor, I need you now and to be present. Bam! I need you today, I need you midnight when I'm sleeping. I need to monitor what I'm doing. That's just everything our device does.
Hello guys, this is Team SU from Futmina, and this is our day 2 in the Nigerian Genius.
The task we've been given yesterday actually was design of a medical device that can work with remote access and control. So our team have been able to come up with ideas on how to meet these demands. And we're also trying to see how we can relate it to Nigeria in terms of making it cheap. We know the country we are in, and we are trying to work with our country and with our ideas to meet this, the basic task we have been given. So, from my own points, what I'm actually working on is the CAD design of the whole system, how the device is going to look like, starting from the internal structures, the durability of the material we are going to be using, and also the design of the material.
Good evening. We are Team ART from the University of Rio. Today is day 2 in CIC Innovation Center, and the project has been announced. The project topic has been announced. We are trying to solve a problem in the medical device that have access to remote and control.
We are working on a medical device that can be accessed remotely, and remotely simply means anywhere in the world, and that's the only way of accessing it remotely is over the internet. And I and my team, we are putting heads together trying to see how we can make it to be more aware of that when we present it, it will be something genuine, something that will add value to people's life. We are still in the development stage, and today, being day 2, we were modeling some of the parts we'll be using, and after modeling the part, we decided to print it, but along the line we discovered that we had some error in our design, of which we corrected it and then sent it to the machine to print it again. So we are still on the development stage.
Hello everyone, this is Team Report, and we are on day 2 of the Nigerian Genius 2024. We are tasked to build a medical device with remote access and control. So currently we've come up with a wearable device that includes both IoT, database, and also mobile apps.
Okay, so currently we are building the UIs for our mobile application, and we are also structuring the database as well as the entire flow of the system. So hopefully by the end of today, we'll be done with our UI and delve into the actual software development, as well as designing our 3D CAD designs for the parts to be printed and also the electronic circuits that comes along with the hardware device. We are kind of like a very fluid team. There's no rigid responsibility for the team. As it stands now, she's working on the UI, and I'm working on the software. He's working on the card design. But as we go on, the responsibilities will change, and we will always make sure that all hands are put on deck with our special capabilities to see that we come up with our solution as fast as possible.
Right, our device, we have made it affordable to everyone it's necessary to. Everyone is necessary to. Why we made it this way? So that because there are those who misuse technology. Yes, we have made it that in a way that even the average or middle working class citizen can buy this device and install it in their home. But those that we know work on the street or are doing fraud, or we have also limited it by controlling whoever has access to it, and whatever you are doing with it, it should be connected to a medical personnel or our company. We are quite positive that we're going to meet the deadline or meet the requirements before the deadline, because we actually made a lot of progress and brainstorming today. We're also enlightened to certain medical challenges we did not even know existed before, and we now picked the best one that will fit this time frame we have been given. Not just the best one, the one that has usage to both the consumers and the medical practitioners.
So we decided to work on a device that can help the doctors gather important and vital information about their patients, especially critical patients. So vital information concerning their health, things that are pressing about them. So we do not necessarily have to kind of if something is wrong with the patient at the moment, the system can easily alert the hospital or alert it. I'm in charge of the embedded system and hardware design of this particular project.
I'm working on multitasking, the frame part of it, on how it's going to look like on the structure, and also to give a lot of idea on the work, on how it is going to be done.
We, the team ART from UNIU, we have been exposed to a lot of work like this, especially when it comes to embedded system and the Internet of Things. We have a lot of knowledge about it, but I think that is not just enough. I think trying to see how we can bring something good out of it based on this topic that was given to us is what that we are really trying to achieve. And we didn't just, one thing we felt to do was to really put our head together and see what we can do. Rather, we just went straight to lay our hands on what we have in our head. Then our plan is to lay our hands on what we are thinking. Then along the line, while implementing what we are thinking, we can make adjustments to our work.
Currently, the timeline is to get the software up and running between today and tomorrow, and we've done the majority of the work by designing a very friendly and intuitive UI.
User
interface. We have come up with a bill of materials, and when we get our components, the assembly will not be much of a process because we've already we've gotten our user journey on ground, so we know exactly what to do at each point, both in the electronics and in the hard design.
We are all working together as a team to design this device. I am personally working on the AutoCAD and CAM aspect.
Okay, I'm in charge of the electrical circuit diagram. As we all know, no technology can actually function without a current passing in and out.
Due to the fact it requires remote access and control, it should be something that can be accessible from anywhere. So I'll be in charge of programming the device to be accessible.
It will be a thing of joy if you celebrate our victory with us. So we implore you join us every evening in an online voting session, supporting your favorite team Energy from UNN, Nsukka, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. We humbly give great thanks to CIC Internal Innovation Center, ABA, for hosting us exclusively for this event.
The days we actually have to follow prototype is short, but we are sure that within this constraint, we can come up with a prototype that actually works and does what we say we want.
Highly functional.
Highly functional. That goes for one. To our audience out there, we are promising to keep on the good work. We are promising to not relent and to represent Fitina.
Exactly.
To represent Fitina in a great way in this competition. So we're giving all our best, try our best, all our best. We make sure we win this particular competition.
Yeah. So keep voting, keep liking and sharing, commenting. Those things could be your own project for us, please.
Exactly.
That's how be your project. So it's very important.
Like and
Share and comment. Share.
This is day 2. We want to say a very big thank you to Nigerian Genius and CIC for accommodating us, for training us. God bless you. Thank you.
It's a teamwork. Like David here is in charge of the design. David is in charge of design. Teresa here she's in charge of the circuit design, while I am in charge of the fabrication. And I'm also saying that whatever that we are designing, that we come together, put heads together, discuss about it, and see how we can bring the best out of it. We will be ready for it, no matter what it takes.
Shout out to you guys out there, and particularly to our fans. Meeting here out to we promise to not disappoint you guys in any way. We also promise to win this by all costs. Do well to like, comment to all our videos, not just this one, but keep supporting us. We appreciate you guys, we love you guys, and CIC, we are grateful for all you guys have done. We're thankful to be here, and we love you guys. Thank you.
And so, to our audience out there, both the Farm Team PH, then about the whole world, I want to ask you guys to vote for us. Check out our videos. I think it's going to be really, really interesting. We're going to be one of the things that you're going to love watching.
We are here for you guys. We are solving problems that would affect your lives positively. So
what you like to like this.
So we're asking you guys to vote for us. Let's spend every single day our videos are going to be dropping, to just come, like, share, comment, TV reports. Don't go and press anywhere else. Yeah, then shout out to CIC, and thank you very much to Nigerian Genius and CIC for organizing this wonderful event. We're so happy to be here. We're smiling. Thank you very much for this wonderful event.
The Nigerian Genius.